Hey guys, what's up? Every age has its scientific discoveries and inventions, but today's advancements can impact globally in very short time. Such is the progress made in the field of AI, it means artificial intelligence. So hi everyone, this is Somesh and you are watching Technology World. So guys, today in this video I discuss the evolution of AI and also the classification of AI on their capabilities and functionality. So without delaying any further, let's jump into the video. Guys, before jumping into the video, one more thing, all of you are requested to please like, comment and share the video, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now, here is the first topic, evolution of AI. In the year 1943, first time AI was introduced in front of world when a model of artificial neuron was proposed by Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts. Now before jumping into the topic artificial neuron, we must need to have a better understanding about biological neuron. Now let's talk about it. As you guys already studied about this topic in 10th or 12th, it's not an unknown topic for you. Biological neural network is a structure that consists of a synapse, dendrites, cell body and axon. In this neural network, processing is carried out by neurons. Now the work of dendrites is to receive signal from other neurons, and the working of cell, which was also known as soma, to add all the incoming signals, and lastly axon transmits the signal to the other cells. So guys, without delaying any further, let's jump into the topic artificial neuron, also called artificial neural network. It is a type of neural network which is based on a feed-forward strategy. It is called this because they pass information through the nodes continuously till it reaches the output nodes. Now feed-forward strategy means focusing on the future instead of past. Typically, neurons are aggregated into layers. Different layers may perform different transformation on their inputs. Now signal will travel from the first layer, which was called the input layer, to the last layer, which was called the output layer, possibly after traversing the layers multiple times. Now as you can see, there is two pictures in this slide. First one is the mathematical model and second one is the scientific model. I already explained the scientific model a little bit earlier in this video. Now let's move on to the mathematical model. Here you can see the inputs are x1, x2, x3, x4 ... up to xm, and their weighted connections are w1, w2, w3 ... up to wm. Now all of you know how to calculate net value. So add all these inputs to get net input value. So the net input will be something like this. After that, you will also get the net output value. After applying activation function over the net input, you will get net output value. Now, just get back onto the topic. In the year 1955, first artificial intelligence program named as Logic Theorist. This program proved 38 mathematical theorems out of 52. Now, we talk about what is Logic Theorist. It is a computer program written in 1956 by Alan Neville, A. Simon and Clip Shaw. It proves theorems in symbolic logo, Whitehead and Russell's principal mathematics. This is the first program that will help two people in solving complex problem. In the year 1956, the word artificial intelligence was first adopted by American computer scientist John McCarthy. For the first time, artificial intelligence coined as an academic field. At that time, high-level computer language such as Fortran, Lisp or COBOL was introduced. Now we briefly talk about these three languages, Fortran, Lisp and COBOL. Now talk about Fortran. It was designed by John Backus. Their developer was John Backus and IBM. It was first appeared in 1957. Their stable release was Fortran 2018. Its typing discipline was very strong, static and manifest. Their file name extension are, we can use sometime .f, and sometimes .4 and sometimes we can use .f90. Now talk about another language called Lisp. It was designed by John McCarthy. Their developer was Steve Russell, Timothy P. Hart, and Mike Levin. It was first appeared in 1958. Their typing discipline are so strong and dynamic. Their file name extension was typically AutoLSP file, has an extension of .lsp file extension. Now the third and the last language named as COBOL. It was designed by Howard Bromberg, Norman Discount, Vernon Reeves, Jean E. Summer, William Selden, and there are so many designers, as you can see that. Their developer was Curtis Hill, ANSI, ISO IEC. It was first appeared in 1959. Their stable release was ISO IEC 1989 in 2014. Their typing discipline are so static but very weak. Their file extensions are .cbl, sometimes we use .cob, sometimes we can use .cpy. Now we move on to the next content, classification of AI based on their capabilities. AI can be classified in three categories on the basis of their capabilities. First one is Artificial Narrow Intelligence, ANI. Second one is Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. And third one is Artificial Super Intelligence, ASI. Now without delaying any further, let's talk about it one by one. First one is ANI. It is a type of AI which is able to perform a dedicated task with intelligence. It is the most common and currently available AI in the world of artificial intelligence. It is also called weak intelligence, artificial weak intelligence, and the second one is artificial general intelligence, AGI. It is a type of AI which is on par with human capabilities. It is the ability of an intelligent agent to understand or learn any intellectual task that a human being can. And the third one is artificial super intelligence. It is a hypothetical AI. We have not been able to achieve it, but we know what will happen if we achieve it. It is a type of AI that surpasses the cognitive abilities of humans. It includes general process of perception, attention, memory, working memory, and many other activities. Now it's time to move on to next content. The next content is classification of AI based on functionality. AI can be classified in four categories on the basis of their functionality. First one is reactive machines, second one is limited memory, third one is theory of mind, and fourth one is self-awareness. Without delaying any further, let's talk about it one by one. First one is reactive machine. It merely reacts to the current scenarios and cannot rely on recall data to make decisions in the present. It means it cannot depend on recall data to make decisions in the present. And the second one is limited memory. This one is used to extract knowledge from previously learned information, fact, stored data or events. And the third one is theory of mind. Future AI system learns to understand that both people and artificial intelligence objects have thoughts and feelings. And the last one is self-awareness. This will be when machines are not only aware of emotions and mental state of others, but also their own. Now I will just end up my video here. In the next video, I will elaborate the classifications of AI on their capabilities and functionality in a broader way. So stay tuned with TechnologyWorld for upcoming advanced technologies. Thank you for watching.